In this video, I am discussing 6th Standard Mathematics, Part 1, Ganita Prakasha. And this Pattern in Mathematics, Chapter 1. Pattern in Mathematics, Chapter 1. Can you think of other examples where mathematics Can you think of other examples where mathematics help us in our everyday life? Question answers. First question is this. Answer for this is managing money. Mathematics used in managing money. For that, budgeting, calculating discount, taxes and tips, saving and investing wisely. And in this case, mathematics used. Next, cooking and baking, measuring ingredients, adjusting recipes, converting units, etc. And in that case also, mathematics used. Third one is time management, reading clock and calendars, estimating how long task will take, scheduling activities efficiently. In all these cases, mathematics used in in many cases. I am taking only few. In many cases, mathematics used. See, in shopping also mathematics used, comparing prices and deals, understanding unit prices, keeping track of total cost while shopping. Second question is, how has mathematics helped? How has mathematics helped propel humanity forward? Propel humanity forward. They are given some answers. See, you might think of example involving carrying out scientific experiments, running our economy and democracy, building bridges, houses, or other complex structures, making TVs, mobile phones, computers, bicycles, trains, cars, planes, calendars, clocks, etc. They are already given answers. See some answers here also. This type of answer also. In scientific discoveries, first one is in scientific discoveries, mathematics is the language of science. From physics to biology, it helps explain natural phenomena. It enabled the discovery of gravity, planetary motion, electricity, and quantum theory. Scientific discoveries in all these cases used. In many more cases, these are some examples I am giving. Beyond these examples, many more cases science used. Second one, Technological advancements. All modern technologies, example computers, smartphone, internet, AI means artificial intelligence, are based on mathematical algorithms and logic. Coding, encryption, analysis all rely on maths. First video in this much only. If you like the video, hit the like button. Share this with your friends. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Hit the like button. Thank you for watching.